Sir Mata Eco Farm and Nature Park is the best place for nature at Cuyapo, Nueva Ecija. Yes, even for dogs too. It has many thrilling and adventurous activities to choose from. A chapel for weddings, a vast orchard, a playground for kids, and beautiful cabins. There is also Cayo Restaurant, which has an interior reminiscent of traditional Filipino houses. You should try the Sisig Cuyapo, which has tofu, meat, cabbage and dressing, the crispy lechon kawali kare-kare, pansit batil patong, and the Cabanatuan garlic longganisa. Wash them all down with cucumber lime juice. For coffee, there is Cape Puno, which has a treehouse style seating. Try out their Japanese kohi with coffee and matcha, Vietnamese latte, and peppermint mochaccino.